Hello everyone, I'm Tejpreet. I'm going to talk about our project named Khagolwani, which is Starlighting Pathways, bringing astronomy to every child. And we are executing this project in Kanpur, India. So I'm talking on the behalf of entire Khagolwani team. So just to give you some context, we are doing this project in Uttar Pradesh, which is somewhere in the northern side of India, just to give you some idea. So Uttar Pradesh is a state which is there are many industrial hubs in many of the cities. We are executing this project in the city named Kanpur, where my university is also situated. So Kanpur is also one of the industrial town, and it attracts lots of migrants from the neighboring cities as well as neighboring states. So many people from these states they come to Kanpur in the search of work. So, in this process of migration, the children of the family, their education gets compromised. So, just to give you some context, so this is the picture from Apna school. So, with them, we are collaborating to execute this project. So, this is one very normal scene at one of the brick factories, basically. So, these are open brick factories where the people from neighboring states or cities they come with families to work for like 6 months or so. Just to give you some context, out of school children in Uttar Pradesh, the number is 784,000. So these are children in the age group of 6 to 13, and they contribute 33% in the entire pool of out of school children in India. And on the top of that, not only that children are out of school, the kids who are going to school, they do not have access to quality education. So just to give you some context, the kids in the 7 to the kids who are in the age group of like 7 to 10 years old, they are also not able to read what they are supposed to read. So 10-year-old can only read text which are supposed to be read by 7 years old. So there are two problems. One is kids are out of school and then they do not have access to quality education. So our approach is to introduce them to astronomy, to give them astronomy and space science sessions so that they can feel related to their surrounding, and we can spark their curiosity for STEM subjects. As you can see over here, just a minute. Sorry, yes. So as you can see over here, the sessions that we do, we mainly connect them what they have seen in the surrounding moon, stars, planets, and then we build up the our sessions from observations to questions and then explanations, not from the definitions. So our reach is with these kind of NGO run informal education center, then district run government schools, and also donation supported local private schools. So far we have reached approximately 2,000 children, and 40 to 50% of those participants are girl children. We have details of the numbers of all the children who have attended these sessions. Ongoing activities are we are establishing astronomy clubs in these schools and centers. So we are investing lots of effort into what kind of activities should be part of these astronomy clubs, what should go into these astronomy kits that we are going to give to these schools, because we are revising on the way a lot of things, because we it's a learning curve for us as well. So sorry, I have to rush through all these slides because we are constrained with time. So these are pictures from more sessions. Along with the sessions, we are also doing some multimedia programs where we are doing some podcast. So last but not the least, this is the team, Khagolwani team that we have, and here you can see all the members. Then we also do some video activities as well. So the main objective of these sessions is to build sustainable learning ecosystem through astronomy clubs, so that these kids, it shouldn't be like one-time event for these kids. We want them to incorporate astronomy into their curriculum, into their daily learning process. So some of there are lots of challenges also. So there are, first of all, we face challenge for the like the cultural superstitions are very deep rooted. So first of all, we have to take them into confidence that astronomy is not just superstitions. It's about science, and you can learn and study these objects. It's nothing. There is nothing to be scared about. So what the point that I wanted to raise here is that scientific temperament that we wanted to share with these kids is it should not be selective or elite. So science and astronomy especially, it's universal, so everyone has their right to learn about it. So that's what we are trying to contribute. So here I will just try to quickly show like how do we reach to one of the sites, just to give you little glimpse. So as you can see, so these are the factories where they make bricks. So as you will see on the way to these places, there are lots of bricks are placed over there. So these centers are run in these factories. So after we reach there, then we have to go on foot, and then we reach there. But the kids are so lovely. Whenever we go, they welcome us in such a nice way. It's a very happy feeling for us also. So they're always eager to learn. And then here I will like to show some of the
इससे रिलेटेड कई सारे क्वेश्चंस हमारे दिमाग में आते थे कि ये गैलेक्सी कैसे है, ये यूनिवर्स कैसे है, और ये चंद्र ग्रहण सूर्य ग्रहण कैसे होता है, दिखाई देते हैं ब्लैक ब्लैक से नष्ट हुआ था वो किस रीजन.
So these are the testimonies from some of the students who have learned. So this is actually one of the teacher from the teacher training camp. So she's sharing her experience.
मैं कुलदीप सारियां दी और मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा, जैसे सौर मंडल क्या होता है, सूर्य के पास कौन से ग्रह हैं और
So they are now, they all know basics of astronomy. They know like the solar system, seasons, why seasons form, why eclipses form, phases of moon. All these basic concepts have been introduced to them. So I would like to thank you for the time, and if you have any questions, I'm open to it. Thank you.